what we got here is another Toyota Camry. This one's a little rustier than what I like, but it's a one knuckler, bud. But she's already been around the block. Take a look at this. She's already got one heck of a mean driver door shot done to her. So she'll be right at home here at my backyard. But she's a 96 4-cylinder. Buddy says it sat for almost a year and a half, 2 years. Fired right up, except the alternator is kind of junk. So as soon as I disconnected the batteries, or the battery and the booster cables, the alternator died. Haven't really gone through the car very much, but it's got your Canadian rust all over it. Oh, can it open? Oh, it does open. Oh, the little kickers don't look too bad on that side. What about over here? Not too bad. Floor doesn't look too bad. Donut? I think that's the first Toyota I've ever gotten with a donut. For sale, $500 as is. Great deal, $500. I didn't pay $500. Coming around to this side, I seen some things that I didn't really like when I bought it, but something I really didn't like is that the center cup holder is filled with water. Also, the e-brake was on when I bought it, so I didn't really like that either. E-brake was stuck on, so that kind of sucked, but other than that, it doesn't look too bad. Interior is well kept, but I don't like that there's water in there, and there's no sunroof, so I'm not too sure how that water is getting in. Maybe at the top of the windshield, so that makes me a little concerned to see how bad the floors are in this one. But all the tires hold air. She runs, she drives, she stops. Pretty overall happy about that. Now, this being a 96, this will be the last year for the distributor on these cars, so it doesn't really bother me. I don't know. So what we're going to do now is we're going to throw our Honda Civic battery into this. Going to start it up and drive it off the trailer. Gotta love these Honda Civic batteries. Worth their weight in gold. Let's see if she'll fire up on her own. Gotta make sure those batteries are on there good. Try it again.